I'm just going to show you some ideas that I came up with for Hound Dog, for chord substitutions. And we're just dealing with a C chord and an F chord and a G7, but we're going to amp them up a little bit. Now, I'm going to play that C chord, but I'm playing, I'm holding down my finger in the 3rd fret on the A string and on the E string. So we're getting that really cool kind of westerny kind of sound. Because we can slide that to the 6th fret and get some bluesy stuff. Watch this. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't, isn't that cool? Hound. Let's try it. 2, 3, 4, 1. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Now, another way of doing that, same notes. We're doing a B, we're adding a B flat and an E flat, so we're making it kind of jazzy and bluesy. Here's our B flat here, and here's an E flat here, right in the 3rd fret. So watch this. I'm making a regular old C chord with my baby finger, but I'm then adding my index and my middle right up here on the G and the C strings. Now, is that cool? Same two notes here. So you see how we can mix and match. Let me show you. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. A hound dog. Cool, huh? I'm excited. Okay, now the F and the G, I'm going to turn them into 9th chords. We love 9th chords in this class. All right. If you're not familiar with a 9th chord, that includes a 2nd note in the scale, supposed to be an octave higher, and the 7th chord. Creates a lot of tension. Let's find out how we can back our way into an F9 chord. Use all 4 of your fingers and cover all the strings in your 3rd fret. Okay, that's a C minor 7. Now, to turn that into an F9, I'm going to take my index finger and I'm going to push it to the 2nd fret. And we have an F9. Same idea with a G9. This is a movable form. Let's push all our fingers into the 5th fret. That's a D minor 7. Then push that index finger 1 fret towards the headstock. G9. So how do we put this into the song? You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Ooh, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to slow it down. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, slide, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, slide, ain't no friend of mine.